Are you hanging the bunny on the Christmas tree? That's so nice, Maddie. Don't open the presents. Hey, Maddie, turn around and show Mommy. What are you doing to the Christmas tree?
What's going on in the Christmas tree?
Are you hanging? Are you hanging stuff on the tree? Like your purse and a bunny? What you looking at?
What's going on in the Christmas tree?
It's her. Wow.
Is that a deer? Did the deer fall?
Wow.
Yeah.
Here, let's wipe your nose.
Okay. What? Heart.
That's a heart.
Purple. Oh, purple.
Purple?
Is that the one you took a bite out of?
No, those are all in the corner.
Mama, Daddy.
Yeah.
Sorry for that.
Did
Santa
bring
brought
them?
it.
Yeah, Santa brought that? How cool
Yeah.
is that? Yeah.
Are you going to open it on Christmas?
But
Yeah. Christmas. Don't open it now. Don't open it now, honey. We're going to wait.
hate.
Yeah, we wait.
Mama, heart. Head.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Careful.
Uh-oh. You want to go easy on that.
That's Daddy's present. Here. You want me to come here? Did you take your bag down? You going to hang the bag over here? Oh, it's pretty heavy. What you got in that purse? A sleigh? Is that Santa in the sleigh? You say Santa Claus?
Oh, a dummy.
It's snowing in there. It's snowing in there. Is Santa in there?
Yeah.
Is that where your Christmas stuff goes? Lights.
Yeah. Oh.
They're all around.
Oh.
All around.
Yeah.
Even up. What's on top of the tree? What's on the top?
Top.
Is it an angel?
Yeah.
Can you say angel?
And so
Yeah, angel's on top.
light.
Yeah, you gonna hang that purse? Looks great there, Maddie.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
Her.
Perfect.